Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at this ARK XO Tech 12 volt power management system. Now this system will let you manage multiple onboard devices connected to your 12 volt electrical system. It'll control your lights, your inverters, water pumps, and other loads. Works with televisions, electric steps, and fridges. And it'll even track water tank levels and temperatures. Basically, this will monitor the state of your auxiliary battery in two ways, using real-time monitoring, which will let you know how much power is being used and how much life is left in your battery, and on total power consumption, which will give you information between charges about what you use and how long you have until your battery needs to be recharged. Few inputs and outputs, they're on both ends. If you look over here, you have your Anderson connectors. So it has a 50 amp Anderson input, and it is marked. And on this end it has a 5-pin water tank sensor right here, and again it's marked also. Now the outputs, they do on this end have the 50 amp Anderson connector output. And then over here, as far as outputs, you have a 10 amp cigarette lighter socket, a 10 amp Engel socket on this end. The smaller one down here is a 15 amp Merit socket. And then if we pop open this cover, you'll notice there's two 2.1 amp dual USB sockets. So that'll allow you to charge your phone, and you can even run small appliances using live output sockets. You can protect the outputs with internal self-resetting fuses, and this does install easily. Basically, it'll mount with 4 screws. Now the screws are not included, but you can see the 4 mounting tabs here with the slots on them to install it. It does include, you noticed here, we laid out all the installation hardware to install everything. Comes with a nice operator's manual that will describe how it installs and operates. And what's nice, it is a compact design, so it does save space in your truck, RV, or boat. Now they do offer an ARK mobile app, which will let you control the system from any smart device. You can connect the management system to Android or iOS devices via Bluetooth. It'll also allow you to name and manage multiple systems and relays from your phone. Few specs on this. The application is 12 volt vehicle systems. Now the battery types that this will support are AGM, flooded lead acid, and lithium ion batteries. And the last thing, just to give you an idea of the size of this unit, the overall length, if we go from one end to the other, it's going to be right at 10.5 inches long. The width, which I'm going to measure including the mounting tabs, going to be right at 7.5 inches wide. And the overall height, bottom to top, right at 2.25 inches tall. But that should do it for the review on this ARK XO Tech 12 volt power management system.